Okay, so let's start part two, graphing accelerated motion. So in this one, we're going to investigate what is the position time graph for an object with constant acceleration. So not constant velocity anymore, constant acceleration. We're going to need the same materials. All we're really going to do for this one, the difference here, is we're just going to tilt the board upward. So tilt the board slightly upward using two biology textbooks. You can tilt it a little bit higher too. I've used 7 here. Doesn't really matter, in, like, as long as you get the enough dots along the way. You can use any textbook too. Okay, so you're gonna set to 10 hertz if you have that option. Set to 60 if you don't. You're gonna circle every dot again if you have the 10 hertz option. You're gonna circle every 6th dot if you're on 60 hertz. And everything's really the same. So again, what you're gonna get this time is data that might look a little different, but you're still probably gonna get like this whole mess of dots at the beginning here where your hand was on it before you let it go. Yeah, that's where it, yeah, it's just, you haven't actually quite let go, so it's just a bunch of gibberish before that. So again, just after all that gibberish there, you're going to pretty much call one of those dots afterward, t is equal to 0. And then what's going to happen is you're going to see a different kind of pattern of dots. They're not going to be evenly spaced anymore. But it doesn't really matter where you start. Again, you don't have to start like right at some particular dot. Just make sure that you don't include that kind of mess over there. You should get the same, or pretty nice data there. Okay, so do that just like last time. You're going to make a table just like last time. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Record the measurements. And then you're gonna get a graph that looks something like this now, right? And just position time graph this time. There's only be one line, there's not gonna be 2 lines in each one. And then this one, you just have a few more questions for the analysis and interpretation. So answer those questions. Here's how you're getting marked on this one. Notice that this one's only at a 10. The last one was at a 20, so yeah. And then together they add up to 30, and that's the lab. All right. So when you're done, make sure you guys hand that in to your teacher, and I'll talk to you guys in the next lesson.